Hello everyone. I'm going to put this tutorial on our Facebook site to show you how to start a Zoom account. Zoom provides us with another opportunity to hold community events online, whether in the form of a webinar or a web meeting. So let's just strap ourselves into our chairs and get ready to do some Zooming. At this point, you're really essentially done, but you're still going to want to navigate to the page. So just simply let the browser pop open and don't go to Start Meeting Now, but Go to My Account, and that will pop open another page. And so this contains some of your information. On the left tab, there is a place where it says Meetings, and that's where it's going to list your uh, prayer meetings and worship meetings that you get invited to. Just simply send me an email, and when you click on the links for those meetings, then basically that will pop in and fill that particular appointment calendar for you automatically, and it'll actually include reminders so that you're prepared and ready to go when it comes time to have a prayer meeting. So that's it. It really just is that simple. It's not a hard process. And the nice thing about Zoom is it provides us with some opportunities to get feedback, like, for instance, a prayer list. as well as some multimedia types of things, such as my slides that you often see during my worship services that I construct for you to help you comprehend the text. I think it's important that those things be included, and unfortunately, Facebook Live does not provide those opportunities to be able to put those particular things into the presentation, at least as far as we're able to handle right now. So I encourage you to go ahead and try this. If you have trouble with it, if you're struggling with it, feel free to let me know, and I'll be happy to come alongside you, either bring your computer into the church or just I'll walk you through on the phone, whatever you think's best. And we'll just go from there. All right. God bless you, and we'll see you hopefully on the internet.